In Business Central, we have the ability to apply prepayments on customer accounts. Let's go take a look. So against this customer, we'll scroll down to the payment. And against payments, one of the first fields available when you hit show more is prepayment. This is a percentage that will require to be paid before a sales order is permitted to be released. Okay, let's look at what that looks like. So let's just set 50%. So this customer's account now requires a 50% deposit. We're going to go from Actions, New Document, Sales Order. And on the sales order, we can outline some items. I'm going to delete the location, and it's already loaded on the line, a prepayment. So that prepayment is being filled from the header of the sales order. And a header is anything that's not aligned. So these fields down here are referred to as header records. Right down the bottom of the sales order, you have header records for prepayment, and it says prepayment percentage 50%, compressed prepayment. The payment term for prepayment is 30 days. I might want to say on this that it's cash on delivery. Okay, or cash on delivery doesn't make sense. It might be a due on order, for example. So you would set that here for the prepayment. Then by default, it's requiring the line to have 50% paid before dispatch. Now, in some instances, customers will use this to say, I only want the first line prepaid at this stage. It's 50% of this line here. It's $3,353, not the GST line. All right, so we want to release this order. We're going to go to release following standard procedure and hitting release, and it's going to fail. It's going to come up with an alert. There are unposted prepayment amounts, documents for the order number for this order. All right, so what does that mean? We would then go Actions, Posting, Prepayment, Post, and Print prepayment invoice just there. Alternatively, I've dragged up into process here, Post prepayment invoice.